Hello everyone. My today's topic is for MCA 4th semester student and that paper name is ERP Enterprise Resource Planning, and in ERP today we will see the topic role of IT in ERP. ERP resource planning is business management software, usually a suite of integrated applications that a company can use to collect, store, manage, and interpret data from many business activities, including product planning, cost, manufacturing or service delivery, marketing and sales, inventory management, shipping, and payment. ERP is a software that is also used for production planning and all these activities. It provides an integrated view of core business processes, often in real time, using common database, maintaining by a database management system. ERP system trace business resources, cash, raw materials, production capacity, and the status of business commitments, orders, purchase orders, and payrolls, etc. The applications that make up the system share data across the various departments like manufacturing, purchasing, sales, and accounting, etc. that provides the data. ERP facilitate information flow between all business functions and manage connection to outside stakeholders. Now we'll see some functional areas of ERP in IT industry. An ERP system covers some common functional areas. In many ERP systems, there are called and grouped together and called an ERP modules. In ERP modules, they are financial accounting, management accounting, human resources, manufacturing, order purchasing, supply chain, project management, customer relationship, and data services. Now we will see the components. Transaction database management, business intelligence system, customizable reporting, resource planning and scheduling, analyzing the products, external access via technologies such as web service, search, document manager, management, managing and workflow managements are the components of the IT industry in ERP. Next is connectivity to plant floor information. ERP system connect to real-time data and transaction data in a variety of ways. These systems are typically configured by system integration who bring unique knowledge on process, equipments and vendor solutions. Direct integration ERP system have connectivity as a part of their product offering. This requires that the vendor offer specific support for the plant floor equipments their customers operate. ERP vendor must be expert in their own product and connectivity to other vendor products, including those of their competitors. Database integration ERP system connect to plant flow data sources through staging tables in database. Plant flow system deposit the necessary information into the database. The ERP system reads the information in the table. The benefit of staging in that ERP vendor do not need to master complexities of equipment's integration. Connectivity became the responsibility of the system integration. Enterprise Application Transaction Module EATM. These devices communicate directly with plant for equipments and with the ERP system via methods supported by the ERP system. EATM can employ a staging table, web service, or system-specific program interfaces (API), and EATM offers the benefit of being off-the-shelf solution. Customer integration solutions. Many system integration offer customer solutions. These systems tend to have the highest level of initial integration cost and can have a higher long-term maintenance and reliability cost. Long-term cost can be minimized through careful system testing and through documentation. Customer integration solutions typically run on workstation or server class computers. Next is implementation. ERP scope usually implies significant changes to staff work process and practices. Generally, three types of services are available to help implement such changes: consulting, customization, and support. Implementation time depends on business size, number of modules, customization, the scope of process changes, and the deadlines of the customer to take ownership of the project. Modular ERP system can be implemented in stage. The typical project for a large enterprise takes about 14 months and require around 150 consultants. A small project can require months. Multinational and other large implementation can take years. Customization can subsequently increase implementation time. Next is process preparation. Implementing ERP typically requires change in existing business process. Poor understanding of needed process change prior to starting implementation is the main reason for project failure. The problem could be related to the system, business process, infrastructure, training, or lack of motivation. ERP implementation is considerably more difficult in decentralized organizations because they often have different process, business rules, data semantics, authorization hierarchies, and decision centers. This may require migration some business units before others, delaying implementation to work through the necessary changes for each unit, possibly reducing integration, linking via master data, or customize the system to meet specific needs. Configuration an ERP system is largely a matter of balancing the way the organization wants the system to work with the way it was designed to work. ERP systems typically include many settings that modify system operation. For example, an organization can select the type of inventory account, FIFO, FIFO, and LIFO to use, whether the recognized revenue by geographical unit, product line, distribution channel, and whether to pay for shipping cost on customers' relations. ERP systems are theoretically based on industry-based practices and their makers intend to organize, deployed them as is ERP vendor do offer customer configuration option to let organization incorporate their own business rules, but often feature gaps remains even after configuration is complete. Customization is always optional, whereas the software must always be configured before use. The setting of cost and profit center structure, organizational trees, purchasing approved rules, etc. The software is designed to handle various configuration and behave predictably in allow configuration. Configuration changes, supervise upgrade to new software version, some customization supervise upgrades through they require retesting. Other customization are overwritten during upgrades that must be implemented. Customization advantages there are some advantages of customization that it improves user acceptance. It offers the potential to obtain competitive advantages and companies using only the standard features. ERP system can be extended with third-party software. ERP vendors typically provide access to data and feature through published interfaces extensions, offering the features like achieving, reporting, and publishing. Access to specialized data and capabilities such as syndicates marketing data and associated trend analysis. There are two main driving forces behind enterprises resource planning for business organization. In business sense, enterprise resources planning ensure customer satisfaction as it leads to business development that is developed of new areas, product and services. In an IT sense, most software does not meet business needs wholly and legacy systems today are hard to maintain. In addition, outdated hardware and software is hard maintained. So, the enterprise resource planning is necessary for management the today's business world. ERP is a single software which tackles problems such as material storage, customer services, finance management qualities, issues and inventory problem. An ERP system can be dashboard of modern era management. Using the IT sector, the ERP is become more popular and become easy for every business functions. That's all from today's lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.